Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. Today we are going to talk about the prime factorization. To start, before this prime factorization, you must know what is a prime number and a composite number. I'll just give a recap of it. A prime number means it has only two factors, the number 1 and the number itself. For a composite number, it has more than two factors. That is, it can be expressed as a multiple of two other whole numbers other than 1 and the number itself. And number 0 and 1, they are neither prime nor composite. If you want more details about prime and composite number, I have already made a video and I have provided the link in the below description. You can check it out. Now let us start with the prime factorization. So first let us write the prime numbers which are less than 20. Just we will take a list of it. That is the prime numbers which are less than 20. Let me write that list. The number 2, because 2 can be expressed as a multiple of only two factors, 1 and the number itself. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and goes 17, then 19. So these are the numbers which has only two factors. Now let us check for the composite numbers, right? And what is a composite number prime factorization means? Suppose consider a number 4. You know this 4 is a composite number, right? Now this number 4 can be written as 2 times 2. That is, you are writing the number 4 as multiplication of two prime numbers. You simply see this number 2 and 2 both are prime. So in the prime factorization, you can express the number composite number as a multiplication of two prime numbers. That is what is prime factorization, this type of combination. For example, say 9. 9 can be expressed as 3 times 3. Both are prime numbers, right? 3, both are prime numbers. The 9 composite number is expressed as a multiplication of two prime numbers. Now, let us consider 12. Now, 12 can be written as 6 times 2, right? Here you can see the 2 is a prime number. But if you see 6, it is not a prime number, right? So you have to split this 6. I am writing this 6 as 3 times 2. It's possible, right? 3 times 2 is 6. So I am breaking this 6 as 3 times 2. Now you see both this 3 and 2 are whole numbers, prime numbers. So this 12 can be written as 3 times this 2 times, one more 2 is here, 2. So I am rounding all the prime numbers. Okay. So 12, first you need to split as 6 times 2, right? And then this is a prime number, but you can see 6, it is not a prime number. So I am breaking it as a multiplication of two prime numbers. So prime factorization of 12 is equal to this 3 times this 2 times this 3. That is multiplication of all the prime numbers. Now, I got some questions like 12 in case it is not 6 times 2. Suppose somebody is writing it as 4 times 3. Then what is the case? It's very easy. 4 times 3, you can see 3 is the prime number. You round it out. 4 is not a prime number, right? So you just break it as 2 times 2. So this is a prime number, this is a prime number, this is a prime number. So what is the prime factorization of 12? 2 times this 2 times this 3. That's it. So you are expressing the composite number 12 as a multiplication of prime numbers, right? Now I will give you more examples. Say 27, composite number 27. Now we have to express this 27 as a multiplication of prime numbers. That is what is prime factorization. Suppose I am writing 9 times 3, round off prime number, right? Now again, this 9, it can be 3 times 3, 9, right? So this is a prime number, this is a prime number. So what is the prime factorization of 27? 3 times this 3 times this 3. So that is a prime factorization for 27. Now I will give you one more example, say 225. Let us go somewhat a bigger number. Now, you know 225, when it ends with 5, it is divisible by 5. So let me divide this 225 divided by 5. Let me divide it first. Okay. So, you know 22, 5 times 4 is 20. So you are putting under 22. If you subtract, it's going to be 2. Bringing this down, 5. And what is 25? 5 times 5 is 25. Remainder is 0. So what is 225? 5 times 45, right? You can write it like that using the division method. So I am writing this as 5 times 45. Here you see 5 is a prime number. What about 45? It's not a prime number. I can express it as 9 times 5, right? 9 times 5 is 45. So this is a prime number. But if you see 9, it's not a prime number. Again, I am breaking this 9. 3 times 3. This is a prime number. This is a prime number. So we got all the prime numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 225 can be expressed as 3 times 3 times this 5. 5 times then this 5. 5. So what is the prime factorization of 225? 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. So hope you have understood about the prime factorization in this video. In the next video, we will talk about the square roots. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and press the like button. Thanks for watching.